Welcome to the subject business intelligence. Today's session is session number 23 and topic is using analytical information for decision support. Point number 1. In the past, leading market research firms noticed that often senior executives in business leveraged numerical information to support their decisions. That is, in the past, students, the decision makers, especially in market research firms, okay, they believed in the numerical information or the data they had, and they supported their decisions with this available numerical information. Point number 2, they started using the term business intelligence, that is BI, for the set of concepts and processes that allow a business executive to make informed decisions. So, students, business intelligence earlier was thought as the concepts and process that allow business executives to make informed decisions. What is informed decisions? We'll learn in the next slide. Point number 3, continuing the topic further, the IT applications providing such numerical information were commonly called analytical applications to distinguish them from transaction oriented applications. So, students, all the applications where numerical information was required were called as analytical applications. Point number 4, the decision making became informed decision making with the use of BI. So, what is this informed decision making? We'll check in the next slide. Informed decisions. What is an informed decision? It is a decision based on facts and facts alone. Students, when you take informed decision, that means you have got very good support of data for that. You just cannot assume or imagine and then take decisions. So the decisions based on fact and available factual information are called informed decisions. Point number 2, why is it required to make informed decisions? The simple reason is informed decisions based on facts lead to proper interpretation of situation and same conclusion even when different decision makers are involved. Students, today you can check the today's situation in this pandemic situation. The government has, okay, cleared all the PUC2 students, whether they are first timers or repeaters. So all the students who have filled up the form seems to be past candidates and will lead to admission to first year degree course. Hence, when this available data is there with us, then in government or the colleges, okay, should increase the intake capacity of first year courses, whether it is BA, BCom, BSc, or whatever is the course, because more number of students are going to apply. Why such a decision can be taken? Because with the available information, the decision making becomes more mature, and informed decisions gives many benefits. So, a decision supported with the facts and facts alone will lead to greater profits for the organization. Point number 3, informed decision results in business benefits. Also, it, it will provide insight into operational efficiencies. That is, operational efficiency will increase or less, will get more output for the less efforts put. Second point, help in explore untapped opportunities, and above all, it will serve as window to business dynamics and performance. So, students, informed decision making will give greater benefits to the organization. It will increase the operational efficiency and it will help to untap the opportunities, and it will lead to business dynamics and greater performance. BI and decision making. Point number one. Although decision making was carried on even when business intelligence or business analytics were not there. Yes, students, decisions were carried out even before the dawn of BI, even when business intelligence concept was not there. Then, what is the use of intelligence in decision making? Yes, point number two answers this question. The evolution of BI made decision making faster, reliable, consistent, and highly team oriented. Students, with this concept, you can very well appreciate the role of BI in decision making. Okay, this is a short concept. Okay, you please write it in your notebook, and henceforth we'll be dealing with the business intelligence as an independent chapter. Thank you.